Is your McDonald's app card empty when it shouldn't be? Don't let a glitch stop you from enjoying your favorites. First, let's make sure you have the latest version of the McDonald's app. Head over to your device's App Store. That's the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for the McDonald's app and tap the Update button if one is available. Updates often fix bugs that could be causing this card issue. If the app is already up to date, we'll try clearing the app's cache. This is like giving the app a fresh start without losing your login information on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage. Find the McDonald's app and tap Offload app. Then reinstall app on Android. Go to Settings, then Apps, find McDonald's, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. You might also want to try Clear Data if clearing the cache doesn't work. But be aware this will log you out. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary software conflicts. Power off your smartphone completely, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Once your phone is fully booted up, open the McDonald's app again and check your card. If none of those steps work, it's time to reach out to McDonald's customer support. Open the McDonald's app and look for a Help or Contact Us section, usually found within the Account or Settings menu. They can provide more specific assistance for your account and location. With these steps, you should be back to easily ordering your McDonald's GoTos in no time.